Welcome back to the Alibaba Advanced Success Guide. And in this video, we are going to be talking about testing then scaling up an offer or walking away from an offer. Now, you want to make sure that you are modeling yourself only after winning products. So you want to make sure that as you start to figure out whether or not an offer is working, you want to follow the pattern of offers that have actually been successful, offers that have led to profitability in your business. You want to figure out what you did right and then repeat that. So start thinking about the products that you have picked that literally lead to your being more successful, literally are marked up 100%, literally do fall within the range of 15 to 150, and do give you the opportunity to buy other products. And so that means that everything that you actually bring to the marketplace, you want to test it as soon as possible to see if it is actually working. You want to always follow your profit goals. If the data isn't close, you move on. This is not something that you want to look at and grow attached to a product for sentimental reasons, or because you really feel like something is working, or you want to come and create a new industry. What you're trying to do is to generate profitability. Once you have that clear, tested winner, you then start to continue your focus on your profit with respect to that product. And you do so by thinking about, can I buy this differently? Can I buy better from the supplier? Can I work with them more? Can I ship it differently so that I can pay less for shipping in an overall sense? Is there a way for me to get more profit out of a deal? Is there a way for me to staff differently? Do I have to have the amount of staff that I have? Can I move them around differently? You are focused on profitability once you have clear tested winners in your individual products. And then once you figure out where the product will sell, then that's when you start to want to order more products. That's really where you start to figure out what it is you're going to do and order more, and you start to scale. Again, if these things are not in place, this is where you decide to walk away from a product, even if it's one that you like, even if it's one that might even be close. If it's not close to your profit goals, you walk away from the product. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.